Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import Outlook data to Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your current emails and give you access to the import features we'll be using in just a moment. Once your email has loaded, navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your main tools and menus are displayed. Go ahead and click on the File tab to open it. This is where all the major settings and import-export options are stored, so it's your starting point for bringing in external data. After the File menu opens, look for and click on Open and Export. This will reveal a new set of options related to managing your Outlook data. From this list of options, click on Import/Export. Doing this will launch the Import and Export Wizard window, which guides you through the entire process step by step. Once the wizard appears, you'll see several options for what you can do. Click on Import from another program or file to select it. This tells Outlook that you're bringing in data from an existing file rather than exporting or creating something new. After selecting it, click Next to move forward. Now, you'll be asked to specify the type of file you want to import. Since we're importing Outlook data, select Outlook data file from the list. This is the format Outlook uses to store emails, contacts, calendar entries, and more. Once you've selected it, click Next again to continue. Next, you'll need to choose the actual file you want to import. Click on the Browse button and a File Explorer window will appear. From this window, navigate through your folders and locate the Outlook data file you wish to import. Once you find it, click on it to select it, then click Open. You'll now see the file path added in the field, confirming that Outlook knows which file to work with. Click Next to proceed with the import process. For the final step, you'll see a preview of the Outlook data file you're about to import. Take a moment to confirm that this is the correct file and that everything looks right. If it does, simply click Finish, and Outlook will begin importing your data. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few moments, so just give it some time to complete. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Outlook data into Outlook, bringing in all your emails, contacts, and other information from the backup file. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.